Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai Sonata. If you guys have a Hyundai Sonata and you have a humming, squealing or growling noise coming from the suspension guys when you're driving and it increases with speed, the faster you go, the louder it gets, stay with us, we'll explain what most likely causes that and how to fix it. All that will be covered today guys. Make sure to stand to the end and we will show you what you need to do. So this should actually work on Hyundai Sonata generation from year 2010 all the way to year 2015 guys. Also let me introduce you quick to the channel. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything like that, we'll share the links in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all that from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Another thing, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, and specifically guys on this Hyundai Sonata we'll have more than 300 videos, mechanical videos that will be uploaded on the channel you're watching right now, and we'll have more than 200 electrical videos about diagnostics, fixing electrical components, and that will be posted on our second channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. Check it out guys. Everything will be shared so we can guys save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. So we have specifically this 2013 Hyundai Sonata that we'll be working on. We have the front suspension taken apart. Now if you guys have a noise coming from the suspension and it increases with speed and it sounds like humming or growling, squealing noise guys, most likely, it's very likely actually that you have a bad wheel bearing guys. Usually the noise will increase with speed, and how you can find out if you have a bad wheel bearing. Sometimes, if you have a bad bearing in the differential, the transmission, it can sound almost the same. But if you have a bad bearing in the differential or the transmission, when you give gas or you let off the gas, the accelerator pedal, the noise will change. The bearing, will not change. The noise will be constantly there. It will change only when you sway your vehicle left or right. And one way guys, when you sway to the left, it may go away. When you sway to the right, it may be even louder. That means that you have a bad bearing. This is the wheel bearing assembly guys on that Hyundai Sonata. In order to remove the wheel bearing assembly, you need to remove the whole steering knuckle. The bearing is on the back side, and you will need to remove that bearing right here. Now practically guys, it's possible to remove and replace it without a press. We have a special video that explains how to do that. It's a little bit inconvenient and dangerous, but you can do it. I'll try to put the link in the description of the video below. But what causes that growling noise guys, or humming noise? The bearing gets bad. It's not functioning correctly anymore. It can develop even a play, and it can be dangerous because first, that play will let your tire guys, follow road imperfections. You may have a hard time keeping the car on the road. This is when the bearing gets quite a bit of play. At first they will have almost zero play and they will be noisy. Then you keep driving them, they will develop more play, and at that point it's dangerous to drive guys. So if you suspect you have a bad wheel bearing noise, you need to replace the bearing as soon as you can. So hopefully guys, the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure this thing out. Just if you have a bad bearing, replace it as soon guys as possible. Thank you for watching and see you next time.